Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy's Data Science and AI lecture series. I am Bindeshwar and today we are diving into an exciting probability problem. So let's explore the chances of different outcomes when rolling a fair six-sided die. So a fair die is thrown and the problem is to find the probability of the first question a prime number, second problem an even number, third problem a number multiple of 2 or 3, fourth problem a number multiple of 2 and 3, a number greater than 4. So let's get started. So when a fair die is thrown, so let us see the sample space. So sample space either it can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. And the first problem is that a prime number. So 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So the total number of favorable cases is you can say that 3. So the probability that P prime number favorable outcomes upon total outcomes, that is 3 upon 6, and that will come 1 upon 2. Second, an even number. So the even numbers on a die are 2, 4 and 6. So there are 3 favorable outcomes. So P even number, that would be 3 upon 6, and that means 1 upon 2. Multiple of 2 or 3. So 2, 3, 4 and 6. That means 2 or 3. So 2, 4, 6 are multiple of 2. 3 and 6 are multiple of 3. So the total number of favorable outcomes are 4. So the probability would be 4 upon 6. That would be 2 upon 3. Now multiple of 2 and 3. That means a number it must be multiple of 2 as well as 3. So there is only one number. So that is 1. So favorable outcomes, that is 1 upon 6. Now let us see a number greater than 4. So numbers greater than 4 which are 5 and 6. So the number of favorable outcomes is 2. So probability that greater than 4, that would be 2 upon 6, and which is 1 upon 3. So probability of prime number, that is half, 1 upon 2. This is the result I am showing you. Second problem was an even number, that would be probability of an even number would be 1 upon 2. Probability of a number multiple of 2 or 3, that is 2 upon 3. Probability of a number multiple of 2 and 3, that is 1 upon 6. And probability of a number greater than 4, that is 1 upon 3. So in this video you have understood different use cases, or you can say that cases when you are throwing a die. So hope you understood. For a more videos and resources, you can visit PostNetwork Academy YouTube channel, Facebook page, and you can also visit LinkedIn and you can follow there. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.